various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
A sign, a dear near sign, and a say, O cabin shemu, on your home, Sabato, na abatum pofrim, na de a torrentum be abatoso, and now how be abatoso, and no any friend a sign. What sign is saying? A sign etimi mobi ebubugu dem, a sign etimi mobi eko ohaw more ompe, a sign etimi mobi.
Okay, yabama munyina akwaba edi aba Kumawood TV na obi babisa se na at this time ene samre we die edi na asi the asia ne se Ghana ene the whole world yare a aba ama obia yemahye no na ede ehu ene enema ba yeso ama yeda yenna yentimi nkwa asore yentimi nkwa yi ase yentimi nchia enema na nka yentimi ye nyina no yare abeyi nyina afiri ho yare a ye friend COVID-19 coronavirus eno ho nkomo ena ene yesi nkonya a yebeka ho asem Kumawood TV yese efri ene ede kro no anwumre no nan ene fa bia no yede besi ho na fe satam ya omampanyini ese yentena fie na yenni ekwan a yebafa so a yebehu se de ekọ ene de eba no ntino yede saa mre we ato ho efri adwada ede kosi efiada empanyimfo betena se na fe yama updates de bia de ekoso ewo krom de ekoso ewo amontene ene aban mu no ene ma ekoso nyina no yede bebro live ewo Kumawood TV so eno nti sabre frɛ unua na unua bi so mfrɛ ni nua na mo metena se mo ofie die information bia asese yede mamo no yede ebemamo live ewo Kumawood TV so midin edi Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus nka adwada bia no ebo nonsia kopim nonso na yede top 10 enso edi ebremo yede ni nyina ba hyehyem esan se die enye top 10 asem situation aba ni bre ankasa omu amobobo bonyum no kra bi yetete se ebi mu anya enti we nya nwum to na enye asore ye nibri sempa eno nti ena ene yede ebremo live wo Kumawood TV ahojo atenga junction program no mu no yebenya yen doctors na se omo amaben ye ewo saa yare mu a omo hwe amanfo no yebenya wo mo wa homa no so na fe ye ne bi adi nkomo kama pa ewo program no so enumu no so no wo text messages bia betimi de asende yen na yen so yakenkan de ama wo fie sorry edian na ekoso wo fie obi wo ho a on share them 2 days grada 2 days obi wo on tena na yere nchen 2 days ana 3 days da but wenti no ama wa share them ama wompie ama menim sene osi efilifa eti feeling na ewo fie no obetimi de wo text messages aba na yakenkan e de ama every pemu no nso no ye bebie ya homa trofo na tum na wo nso woni yen ahye wo experience nana Addo dankwa Ghana president say yen hye dem no sen na osi efa ehu no abajafo atenase yebedi enkomo kama ye pa mewo me nana wokọ ahemfie a asen asen man hene asen me nana ewa ha nana ekuoko ewa ha mebusa ne yie pa na wa kyerɛkyerɛ mu yie ye bɛkɔ hɔ because asen man hene awoso ne ti nana akɔ aba bɔkɔ de sɛ bɛyɛ menye mistake nti nana ɛhe fa na wodi ade so asen man hene is different from okay oh yeah santehene brempon but you fa na wodi ade sepase Kumasi sepase okay na ebe mo akwa ba enene da di kan ya obetena Kumawood TV so na ya kasa ma me we won say social distance na abam wa ha enti o meme enti obetima kasa ma me that is okay ana ye wo Moses Akwa dodo na nim say fe no otu nozo 1 otu akwa ba empom de say sanity na sanitizer na odi akuta ne ma mbingu minsema na
se eja wa wani tuame na ma na ekuta me
eno ano no
me kasa kakra na eja mo dia posa
sanity
na naje kakra na ana
sanity on say ye wo nsuo wani mu aduru odi kan ohoro won sa kama na fe ansa na wodi won sa so epono no kra obebie mu no dia na eye amanfo hu ne yie ni say wan kasa opono wo ka apono ana say public transport wodi won sa som taxi no abie no wosom no abie won sa na wodi suzo som ni nyina nso ye ade a minim say be ka ho asem yie pa yehwe Ghana ha yare start by no yehwe modern boy nanado president ene na pamfo abo frida yare ebaye Ghana ha 12 March ena ya record yen second cases and as cases mienu first cases a ebaye no mo ye nipa mienu ena ya record ye na enumu no na fe ekonanim na mienu abeka ho ye 13th March na mienu abeka ho na fe ye ko enim 14th na 2 abeka ho na 6 eho na nana do say the way ade na esi koyide ene ye ma school fo nyina anya dey entena fie ena president ema school fo nyina ebetena fie afa still no na increase na ekonanim akọ 19 ekọ 22 afa omampanyini ehwe a de ade na ekọ no esese ototo borders num ena omampanyini etoto borders num na ototo borders num wie no ena omo a Ghana fo a omo free akwantuom eba no ene de wangasa ohun krofo Ghana fo untimi nkase uma no muram na emom na nado e de measures eto ho se ene mo a mo ba mu nyina no yempe baabi mfa mo nkosie na yenhwe ba 2 weeks enhwe se eyade a ebi wo obi ho a saa 2 weeks ni beso no na nipa no yetimi ehu ampa na de osie ye oyo ema saa nkrofo ye de mo ekosie baabi enum na cases na start na increase na ekọ na fe ebinom kasa se o ma every akwanto ma ba mo krom adentine mo nkofie na bi nte o ma mpanyina ase but enum na edidi mu a sabre etimika se ye wo over 140 something cases we eya ade bi a ha adwene eno na nanado ehwa the way ade ne si kono awo se towns bi ti se Kumasi and Crime tema involve nipa dodoɔ no ɛneɛ yɛn lock obiara down na obiara nhyɛ dem ɛno ɛna ɛnaano a nanado ɛde statement ba abɔntene sɛ yɛma obiara nhyɛ dem 2 weeks na enumu no yɛma health officials no ɛnkokɔ afiefiem na ɔmo test amanfoɔ na yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi ama saa yare yi ɛto atwa ɛwɔ Ghana yɛnkɔhwɛ nanado emra a ɔde ne nsɛm de tu dwa sɛ yɛn lockdown no mra.
Fellow Ghanaians, good evening. I've come to your homes once again, as promised, on the matter which continues to grip not only the attention of the nation, but also of the entire world, the coronavirus pandemic. At the time of my last broadcast, some 6 days ago, Ghana had recorded 21 confirmed cases of infections, with virtually all the cases being imported. I took the step to close all our borders, and I ordered a mandatory quarantine and testing of all the 1,030 persons who arrived at the airport at the time of the announcement till the day the borders were closed. Indeed, 78 of the persons put under quarantine have since tested positive for the virus. It is these additional confirmations that have increased dramatically our total number of cases to 137. Indeed, 97% of all confirmed cases are travelers who brought the disease from outside our shores. Of the remaining 59 confirmed cases, 53 are receiving treatment and are doing well, and they will be discharged should their second test results prove negative. 14 of them are being managed at home in self-isolation. 4 persons who were tested positive for the virus but were aged and had other serious underlying medical conditions have lost their lives. May their souls rest in perfect peace. Thankfully, 2 persons have made full recoveries. Fellow Ghanaians, the oath of office I swore on 7th January 2017 demands that I dedicate myself to the service and well-being of you, the Ghanaian people. It is my job to protect you, and I'm determined to do just that. As I've said before, all the government is doing is intended to achieve 5 key objectives: limit and stop the importation of the virus, contain its spread, provide adequate care for the sick, limit the impact of the virus on social and economic life, and inspire the expansion of our domestic capability and deepen our self-reliance. Thus far, we have succeeded in halting any more importations of the virus into our country. And I thank the overwhelming majority of you for adhering to the good hygiene and social distancing protocols announced in my first broadcast to you. However, prevailing circumstances mean the stricter measures have to be put in place to contain and halt the spread of the virus within our country, especially in Accra, Tema, Kaswa, and Kumasi, which have been identified by the Ghana Health Service as the hotspots of the infections. In doing this, we cannot afford to copy blindly and do all the things some other well-developed countries are doing. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to this pandemic. We have a unique situation in our country, and we must take it into account in dealing with the disease, whilst meeting all the 6 key WHO guidelines on the most effective ways of combating the pandemic. Even though it may be said that the number of our infections is still relatively low, if we act now, purposefully, we have a chance of preventing an escalation of our numbers. So, effective 1 a.m. on Monday, 30th March, some 48 hours from now, I have imposed, pursuant to the powers granted the President of the Republic under the Imposition of Restrictions Act, 2020 Act 1012, restrictions on movement of persons in the Greater Accra Metropolitan Area, GAMA, which includes Awutu Senya East Municipality, and the Greater Kumasi Metropolitan Area and contiguous districts for a period of 2 weeks, subject to review. It'll give us the opportunity to try to halt the spread of the virus and scale up effectively contact tracing of persons who have come into contact with infected persons, test them for the virus, and if necessary, quarantine and isolate them for treatment should they prove to have the virus. In Greater Accra, the following areas will be affected: Accra Metropolis, Tema Metropolis, Tema West Municipality, Lejokuku Municipality, Krowa Municipality, Adentan Municipality, Ashiamai Municipality, La Nkwantanai Medina Municipality, La Dade Kotokmo Municipality, Okakwe North Municipality, Ablekuma North Municipality, Ablekuma West Municipality, Ablekuma Central Municipality, Ayawaso East Municipality, Ayawaso North Municipality, Ayawaso West Municipality, Ayawaso Central Municipality, Ga West Municipality, Ga North Municipality, Ga Central Municipality, Ga South Municipality, Ga East Municipality, Koleti, Wijagba, and all electricity tested positive. Affected areas in all other regions have earmarked isolation and treatment for the matter of suspected and confirmed cases. The selection of for mandatory quarantine is being carried out. An intensive health education and community awareness on social distancing and hand washing will be carried out. It is very important.
Any last message COVID-19 and then fast you do be a senior mom boy probably do purpose it means a year's final raft of measures we see a year mass testing and aggressive testing of the friend of at-risk populations and now my is to say at-risk partner. Thank you to me if you will say whilst I say yes purple importation no in this she say last things Mr. Minister Yenianum be AD Yenianum be AD. There are two borders. Every day, in a report of Ghana for a Dimutu, Akuffo Addo, Wafa play Nabisi, Se Togo, Se Himfan. Na Okofa na fe wurem de naba. Ghana for. Ghana for. See best sa for no yensa ka o mambra e no be already actually. But the cost of the rats said, Okuna and Kofamutu, Kofu, Kofobi, so they are watching the cow the neighbor. Say, oh, be or now it is so moto, or the Bema first, and son of the Abacru. Yes, sir. Some wine, not quite important things are brave a year.
The president measures are the Guaquem, Yenubaye, Nayan Tumbo de Moa Transwa, and I say, Yan Bibi, a Transwamo be a baby, Cabananca too, Naga.
Be a 2,000, say Nabe Countino, ade ne basa no Ghana omo awu no ana omo ya record omo wan na yedi ni din aba ofiri kuro be so it's like kasa bi wo ho a say the amafo kan dey say yale bi chese omo nyin ni kura.
Okay. I think say obaje de wonyi ni o ano na ye man panyini de measures de ato ho de ama ye nyina enche nya health official bi na ye ne na kasa na fe ye bisa no edan na sei omo eye ye nya nte se omampanyini de ato dwa se health officials no be kokokoko afiafiem akọ test amanfo no kura ben ne wo mu na no kura wo mu no nso no omo no kwan best na mo fa so aye because krofo bebre nso eye sebi akromfo a ya nhwe yi a ebinum be dress it say omo ye health officials but ne bia entisa some measures no ye hwese ye benya doctor bi e wo line so anafe yetimi ene no atwetwe enkomo nana mame emra os wansa na ye hwese ye benya na atwetwe enkomo no lockdown ohun ni say ene ye first day one.
Yes, lockdown first day the make us so far so manopano sheda for to look at manopano dey no me sheda barriers nekese but the way are the me say increase and the pastor the go go because of our plan that down say the reason about could give ya after aduane ho and sabi nsu ne duro ne sa ayi no and say bia person kwa say bia person ko banks ti mi say ni go go kakra
Yeah,
and prefer go to mi say banks no most of them
Q amount for
it's no na ya can say security for the mumu money ko because eduma ya no say go phone dia tata so a na sa social distance be say and among duma na sa na mo se bi na esa oda eduma ya ntete mu ye bibia wo ibedu na sa ehehye na nya dia no
omudi so
it's you say
ba se bi ono nso fin say knockdown ni sika da ho eno ase na odi bedidi kakrakra enti wa nye ntama nkoyi na se bank focus o musika asa no oye ne de
nyina ne se o ayi ni nyina ne se sabi o se eni pattern na mo wa ye nka se enso e na anye mo ntem na mo tete na be e ma la ne de wa bana no mo nipa ne no so se mo ye 10 ye tete mo ntem a mo ye 10 mo ye 10 na mo ka fo afo so mo ye 10 so ati ase ye se mo ye 10 mo tete mo ntem and I'm on the new CB. They can 6 feet.
Yeah.
Be now them. I don't know, and Gassa, got it in Muntino. Nipana Baba doors with the deal with the Sanka answer, Sabaka. And the BBS is a bank in the soup. Some you can so to go to Arabian, who to go to Ain't I say bank in the
as a panic be aba manfo mu
panic na bank go from you can say usika shit usika so ati ase and na panic so bank go from you panic no kra na bia wo say ko yare so ma wo say e ma onye nda so say yare na wo ho e to gbo ho ba na say bi o panic ni nti
na wasa akwatete yare no kra san asa
usika na wo yi no say yare no ba na say bi wo anya enkwa na onye wu usika no de ko
and a business himself, Eddie Obewood, and I'm going in any block.
Into do brave say, young Quanas, you become prepare and Sana, your person be France. I say, and go for a good room, and your Maria Tonton and a buono, your home on bedroom, on beds, and and now to sleep. Said you was a passing in a baba be good far. Said the woman, says Ghana, and then I that's a you are the better. And I thought the end. Yen nipa. You we say at the end of the day, nipa na the nipa ho brand na yebo. Say command sadia and I'm obvious to be answered and I can say your camera put it down face. I don't know say the to you say. Sabre nya bra ya faso at the pen for boom. Sabre nya ya faso the good ba. Then sabre ya bra say a day you persuade.
Okay, Nana, yeah, me try no over to us na menya Dr. Ajenim Boating. Yeah. Dr. Boating, mama kwaba edeba Kumawood TV. Dr. Ajimai Boating, but your facha me pa. Doc, na pomu ti say.
Akuffo Addo.
Okay, yeda nyankopon ase. Doc, we de anwumre ye ba wa so ye nya bone COVID-19 coronavirus ya abai na ye di ho enkomo na oye doctor panyini ye pese o ma yen nchiremu kakra efa yare no ho
Yo hapata se ti for su na nya fo na ye tene se ya dia no agwa na per coronavirus na dia agwa yo da because medical school was 30 years ago now or if you want it in your corporate now what the new wire by the new coronavirus we say abuano what is on soup what is on soup certificate that of go through some mutation and the ma yeah they are now the banner assess completely yeah but the name no can't pay a what that year But ya have your lungs. Okay. Yeah, but 50 of me for him, or not say, or home or how. No more woman identity. I can't be a different new coronavirus. You said, the Odibano and different face, no, I shall want the Bandi.
Okay. Okay, as I meto ye pa yarende o hoda dada se o hwe virus no se o hwe even deto o fa deto kra o tun se din wo ho that means the din de na o hoda dada
din de hoda dada okay woni apata de ni na hoda dada
okay
olio ni na dada
na doc mami emusa se no ahwefo ehwe advice ben odemama omo a ese yetifi na omampanye se ye lock ye ho down
advice na man se de ye kanu de no ka homino kumansi oba force de bano na ma ya de ni bia ba from runti na apase I was say yeah, I did the social distancing. But to be when see another boy, but much more, yeah, 1 meter. Sana, I think because until now, 1.5 meters, 2 meters away, I didn't have muscle. And more is it? A local agent active so baby. Until I said social distancing, I have now, they are banning said, or quarantine areas now, they didn't have na yo mukrama ina na fino sasa sana biti ne mati ni akano you can come more too much you say yes ana with me after the if you are my phone I did say you are social distance and some of the countries like Ghana the fourth application
okay
and what is that you say o mama you say Omo and come on pizza. And the Elna say it is on the company as what ever. You know, I don't afford the on the other side. Young science, young who is a
yeah,
sanitizer, so a year, and I said, why, because you answer a sort of and I want to put me stay on the idea. I drive for some hours, for some days. It is a very a phone also for some from one. It is a beer of some neck. It will turn out what they will have. Not wow.
okay.
And then my boy.
Okay, doc. Nana adodan kwa Akuffo Addo the measures egu ho se enne ye da edikan a ye lockdown. Na a doctor for mo hu ni sen enne first day no okay.
Compliance on a first Kenyana Nipano that to learn more. In which they say, the Nano Kanimono, Nipano, a better Siama, Yenukaso, or Pino, Umpi, or Piapato, you need to say a dear, I think you're my tunnel in the 2 weeks time, the dear Winia, but a dear Katikana, one far, and one now, a Sembabano, Nuna, Power Hospital, with Power, Mambo. For no bit mama pama for the car. You never told you and for the 2 weeks time. Okay. Papa, you speak. I don't know who you papa. I'm sorry, as a Sunday in the country. You know, when yes, and yeah, and you're very important.
Okay, now, Doc, Yan say, Binumum wo Kumasi, ye can't say, Yan lock down Kumasi, no be na oha na wafaka na ode kɔ na kurase na wakɔhye na kurase bi wo so a wobɛkɔ no na bia bi wo ho na wode akɔhye kura bi ase ɛno no afutuo bɛ na wode bɛma omo a omo free kumase ɛkɔ kronkitu mu no
ɛno sɛ sɛbi fonso sɛ the best service wo kɔ kurase wo kumase di krankan wo kura mu na openye to kwa mukama wotano wonyo mfa ne town beta won say ebi e ho nya na sa wo na wo ko class obusha fo na wo de kwasa obusha fo ma ya won na be ya obusha fo nya ya so a eno so emwa kwa be ni ka so bia e ko ko be ha e bi kwa ka zenka na me sa de no e bi sa de no so se ko ba ni e ta go lockdown for the whole country but it's just that ka way no that the chance ya me na be dia wa. Yes, a really good term, really good term of the art me as a muscle. And yet, Papa said, be better, it's not a book, Kumawood class, and what? That's how it is. I said, but yes, but slim pass away, and no, that pass, satisfaction. What I say, and I'm going to say, not problem, and I'm with it. I could tell my put in the house. They're good.
Okay, Doc, answer na bekon yenya ntie se omampanyine ama health officials bi enenam afiafie mu a omo test amanfo enokura bi wom
and me guarantee that the day be epicenter no se me ya wo amo 50 akọ
okay
yeah me but depending on Emma on whatever so the same you saw I mean if the bad you say when you are come the number again so compare with that place and get that bad yeah but then take wise yeah no that's really about 3%. It's not the I mean that but if what you said Italia Ohana, for every 100 years, you put over 11 and you say they ever said at that level. This is so at the West America, other big country, I want to some America. The Nippon Tua, I know from a passport. The method of the a man who has a ban by year, but this kind said, but that is not taking our support. Yeah. Feel one Canadian performance of a testament. Papa,
Doc, with the Kumawood TV, I better was to say your bopini or so what just so at the Amaya. Namish Rapa. Okay. Young quick commercial break, your bar, your best sign at us.
A sign, a dear near sign, and a say, who can be shame? Only home, Sabato, na abato mpofrim, na de atorientam bi abato so, ana or how be abato so. And no, any a friend a sign. What sign is saying? A sign etimi mobi ebubugu dem, a sign etimi mobi eko or how be more, ompe. A sign etimi mobi ko pie prison, a sign etimi yetwa obi nsa, a sign etimi yetwa obi nine. A scienti obi agapade nyina ahye a scienti obi ahwere ne kunu ɛsan ti obi ahwɛ ndɔfo bi ɛsan ti obi aware asɛn ɛsan ti obi akɔ abrokyire ama yasan de naba wo sign ne sɛn mesome sign ne sɛn we yɛ dwumadie bi a yɛde brɛw ɛwɔ Kumawood TV yɛsi nkonya na afei asɛm a ato pɛn a ɛde atɔrɛntɛm bi abrɛw no yɛne watrase na afei yɛbobo ho yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na aboa yɛnua bi a ɛsan bi nto no da na ɔno nso ayɛ ahwɛ yie sɛ ɛsan bi ato da na ɛde wakɔ situation bi mu ama ɛnɛ watumi afiri mu a yɛ invite wo sɛ bra na yɛne wo ntrase na yɛnhyɛ experience together fa number yi na frɛ sisi a na yɛne wo ntwetwe ɛho nkɔmmɔ 0244 294066 frɛ na ɛne producers no ɛnkasa within Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos betin so afrɛ me Steve ɛsan etumutu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the
COVID-19 aba yare aba ama obia esu obia kwahye dem by force eno ho nkomo na ye twetwe no ewo Kumawood TV so live medin Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako na ye kona me ne doctor baako edi nkomo no nso kansem pi ne nyina ne se ye behwe ehun yie cause yare no aba ne de wo hwe ohun so yie a me sure say ebi enyo sanity na na do ahye yebo se kwan bia so obefa so a yare no be free Ghana ebe free Ghana na asofofo ne nkomhyefo bebre ahyehyehye nkom se yare no ebe free Ghana na yebo mpaye ebe free Ghana ejina wo so free Ghana ejina me no mienu nyina so nana ye kona o kasa but yemra ene fan say first yemam panyini ade sa emergency to ho nani de di kan ye fa krom kakra ye fa krom no ye hu se ba bi wo ho a omodi super ye fa dum na ko dum no ye hu se almost all the shops are well dum ni de obiatum but banks tell now come first banks bia so wo around there e won so aye ma ba pay so situation no me hu no se bebre ti ase yi papa
on se second America no ti ase na nipa no bi no so bi o ma de o se so se yi na do man pani announce new year me dan kwesi ada nipa gu fa so because the nipa enim say even after me dan kwesi ada na adwada na na in lockdown no starting eduane de wo si na ma ko to nti enam sa na sa ayi ni to ngo fruit no nti na go for be nti no se de ne yake banking sector no de yes ye bie for business but almost staff no mpo no want to say say edipa na mo dom tem no na aba na pese see no kan a normal spread no rapid they say no aba nyina na say we say we na hospitals it is an bad dia dipa 63 na community within na important cases no they are reaching out to me nyina contacts so what yes or don't friend the contact tracing and what you man no more na mo na na eti eno no na omo ebekọ ni nyina so be ma mo di duma na hu ni nta no ma tu hu na mo nta na no abo na ehunu su a se omo ado mo anya nkitabudie nyina within this period nyina na se otimika okay omunya no mo ye massive testing even before border closure no kra no flights about nyina no I don't say a week to you know sa closure of border no flights about nyina no omu trace obi and omu nyina contact nyina because say no a massive testing that you know here and until now we lock it down go so restricting movement
okay
so movement restrict easy say
benya
obetimi track and go for nyina wa bra omu ankasa na bia no obi kura enim so no wo bia okafi a on fan ko sa ni pa do no so what I say ni bia ni pa betimi ansa mo aye bia ni fi for e no so no e ade a when so mu nya one place nti betimi ado mu amu ma ya ra mo mu ato a en ko sa ni pa do na enti butaye party and to mo de sa lockdown eno say one nipa mu bebrebe na mama ya ne ntia tisi
no betimi
tracy etimi tracy attest nipa no do na omu contact tracy ne chom say we woni we nya gitamudi we ni we nya gitamudi e betimi attest mu na ntia test
na me ba test no onya sure say ebinim suro
esa musuru the intin say on say sabi you know sa COVID-19 gwen sabi to say HIV is here yawa for 5 months na na say
o di bone
so what ya say so unya gonorrhea ngo fa dey ya na eden ya ba COVID-19 nte sa sabi o ya hu say no esa 83 esa 93 esa ibebia and found no social status and found no class and one
obi kura say we no escafo no kura team o mu chen yan fo
most normally ka ya dey bi ba and go for anka ntan ni omu pa na ye omu high class
yes omu BBD
any benefit bi no na say the president the anomu the last people are who may infected but we hu say even them no at this stage no if you go infected or enti enye sabi obone bini wadi nti na be mu onya COVID-19 and anya awudie bi and anya crime and anya because of sin but ebetima you be irrespective of whoever you are enti wenya dey say ye fere ho and anya dey say hu to ye so wonya hu no say we show signs na no wo dey wa value ho ye test na ye negative a
hu so
afi no an bo ho ba yi so ye positive and am say hu ni ntem
ebetima so anu
contem e ma ho to and that's how could do point bi asa bi women need susu ya asa ube wu eni no e wona na wo ma egwefo ate ba no sa na say bi adofo e won hu nyina won mo nyina ya exposed wona wuni won mo nyina ya exposed na wan gasa susu no and am say yare na virus na timi anya adoku mu nti no man say chance of survival so na aye less than obi ono no ba mi ehu ni ntam tini nyina say bi ehu ni ntam ma health workers go ni hu ni ntam na ya meta senyenta so mo nyina na wanga sa no sabi o se be bamboa aboa no obusu
sanity ebe boa aboa woni wabusuafo nyina me say jema memra wo so ye hwe omo na nado ema omo free abrochire ba odom kogu ba bi se omo nka wo yes na ye test so far ya test enya bebre positive but omo ba afoforo no na bebre kasa say identity na edo mogogu ba bi ne mo nko mu fie sa na do ye no ne kwan so a
ne kwan so pa because aboa papa so wanye sa nka omo de beba besa ye nyina
na wonim say most of them ebinim wo ho a I'm not sure there but ebinim wo ho a am say omo ye stars and omo ye celebrities nti omo duru a ye mo ya nkwanta omo bio yes, but I'm not sure. Me can prefer say, but people who are saying it yeah, titi, but only say and yet confirmed, so you can just say it.
On say first, the bar for no more the thermometer gun and it show mama so they check you with temperature. Say be you over 37 and I say 38. No more say, I pray you will be ansana. The Duapo hospital. About the test. Somebody can test temperature.
Yeah.
At the gun shows where you know who say.
Where you know what's right.
But to do what that moment, you're testing. Maybe they all can say be a celebrity. Not that time, maybe I'm a deputy. Right,
say I before you bet my sure, maybe about 2 weeks.
na make us say and is all case celebrate be a twemo we twemo ya test say see ano wababaka ya wababaka me test na so we positive and onyam baba
oh ode kwaso
you know me dey make can say a very good pa and even though kramuna ya quarantine omo e show mo yi because one sister station the interview was on ko ni prayer
to nya sa treatment
or not the hotel and opebia ni abre na aduane ni abre ni duro ntino like ofi you see e see about na to amaso because measures or there to na but one thing they say still na Ghana for the enti I did not see and they say nam the way any too much.
You buy video near
so I mean market nipa
Bantama
market nipa I say just say one but imagine even though prano ya bands security personnel be now no more peso salai tali so na anim wono omo bochenku we free mo bank inside or there mo grem 11 na outside hono so so ese we make sure say outside no obi line no ekokan he kure bedru so ese mo titim and I said in combat me as line 3 instead of one line no mo ye tintin no mo tali so na bi mu gambo achiri on ese mo sane 3 na intervals room line we ko na we have fe so but still no I say education is and obi wa oni obi jina obeka o we dey so mo wa nti obi by
e bedru time a obebo wa
yeah sure say Ghana for no omo so obi jina che na say ya boy wa dada but so no bo wa tia no because I would srekra put in bo wa by I would srekra na be bo wa say o pe say so because they say akoye say yes e wano ana obi bo a ana say nipa ne wensia but yare no kwan bebre so nipa faso
okay enam kwan bebre so na nipa faso enya ene yete ho ahwem wo abontene ekohwe kurom ehwe se senia omampanyini nana adodanko Akuffo Addo edu tudwa se obia enhye fie se wonni hwe ya hye fie nanka yenhwe kwan yabafa so yare betimi akono ye koye no de ekosi ye enie yenhwe video no mra
epne enkura bi so wa ha omoso ne na ma ene ma yentwimpno mo na yembi so omoso de na de omo bepiem ewodwom ha ana se omo maame mu eni fia ombe se oma se de ma na maame ye mo kwa baba Kumawood TV so bibi abokodi na se mo obi empie o kasa no akasa kesia na se mo obi empie abonti na de na de mo bepiem mu abonti Mama amesoma mama mbata de wo costo na da na mama me ye de wo fie
no ya je to ka say ne ne now so ya buy the two bia say
anti mo se ko fia na yesia mo ye se mama amesoma se mo mbata ne ma woto embra no nuanum nyina e na mama amesoma ene se mo anya ne ma ni bidia na se mo hwe mo so yi na mo fa nsuo ne sam na wo ko mo sa na mo fa sanitizer em fa mo za ni nyina mati no school okay ti mo di ni nyina so wanga zabeti mi ato bi o itina na ntete so mo okay ene nana o man penyina o waye maimu sani o mofra no ese no no tete so no muntimi ento bi no mo panye je o mo se yeda ma se pisa mo te bela mo ye che se e so men katampa ya ye nyina abe ya ide di mo okay kan so say ya na di bu akram ni de e fa lockdown ho de kan ti di senka e be bo abebre bet ye hye mantem ne yina hu sa asa nipa no like they are not heeding to the advice now president because looking at Swami market say put them on like the place is overcrowded. I don't think say lockdown is effective. Make a can come government there should be more enforcement because before the lockdown, we heard say soldiers will be around. It's not my to share the but no be but I think say was it yesterday. Police need because I say they are not coming to harm anyone. They are here to protect us, and because of that, I think that they are taking that leniency. The year BBR or BBR. And see, me can advise them and. Don't have one say, in a year, in a year, they have it. It's the Yakan of Senka, Bia, Bayaka, it's Yanka boy in my area, and the Impotra, or I almost not into me at the end of my area. About one, you have a brain, so near the end of it, and have my numbers to say, but it's most of our yes, I will run into the young Coswana, young Oceanian Vampire, and because. And so we run a come on here, but say, Uncle Palm, while we are watching with Madam Fashion tea and a baby out. Madam, alright, Mamma Ness, over to the Kaka at Trey Asher. If I are 1 year, and I be paid our
measures none and at the outside a year, but idea Nanka, Dana or Shamrana, I should take effect the following day. Why am I saying that? Also, I did change Saturday. No, the town was choked, overcrowded, number for struggle, made to find me. Say, my relatives were crossing. They say, Nana say, Mobianco, Mobiama. Intimate Kumasina say, I dinner me waha. I would like to go back to village. Yeah. When I don't know my health status, it is either I'm going to contact them or I'm going to contact myself before I get to the village. Kutinanke was saying that day now shame rana, it's taking effect. Like other countries, what they did, you know. Nanka Abuaye, you say, Omo to Kanya, you see that say Omo for contractive virus no from others, and now say they are going to infect others at where they are going. And as my colleague said, Ubedu baby, enough people are crowded. Yanam Prima Yeban, some guys are out. The words they are using, yes, they are it means as an enforcement, so strong until they take advantage. Then yes, and how dare you stand outside crowd without doing anything? Okay. So maybe you might not have the virus, but you coming out, you can contract it because we are hearing say it's also airborne. I think so just now be kumuna say and trehana airborne and pursue amount. I don't think so I will come out. And so when you be in a day I don't think look at them standing here.
Obaka bibi kakra afwa de onya no beka ye so abaye.
Say they are buying today, because one near this may be so, and are buying or higher and away in the Biana but saying there was here a year. So there was a would be a home for them, maybe an hour and some growing on the bomb. You see, drivers in Go was said, but would be a poor land or so at the mass and sides and as to say, else you know, we not to say if you see this now, you get to know something. Somehow, after yeah, no, where yes, they are doing their own thing all together. I'm not sure how movies is Madam Passion.
Okay, Mamma Aquaba Ediaba show you so medical say enche ye be a home true for not to na one so I will share a fear no. Say na first day Nanado say yentina fee. Feeling no at the same. E will fee. Sabe Master T and one woman D. Na Otina fee the whole day no. Saying na a city over to me afraid. Now one so what the message and I say the opposite can what can I do actually. Nana you quite video now if you're not wanting a call out. A call yeah no ya best na you intimi and show full one you call baby at least who say stores in out to and you call Bantman market work no nipa ba pepe so hopa e dey say na work on
measures. I'm saying the amount what they do that. I don't say some measures now. The poor man is looking at attention. I don't know what I know is still good. Their name, customers is still in charge. That's what it is. No, see, they come to do you a market. You want to make sure they say, put on banner.
Yeah. Anyway, me try no, but if you be a phone line up to me, obey me, afraid. Say, oh, no, fine, obey my friend. Yeka say, yeah, no, bet my friend. Now, one so what, but me, I found number no at the screen is obey my friend. Nana, me tell. One say a call, Bantaman. Yeah, police personnel be out or control. And I mean, I said, police is very well control. I say, wow, one must ask which other stars and nine. Yeah, I can't say it. Because at the end of the day, your percent cap is 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I was saying to me, the engineer, there's a possibility of a so that's how you know. Just saying, you know, this is young of one sub you are that would be young. I will follow. Get a big young man, get me a year, and even you might. Yeah, the day yes, I have you for life. But
hello.
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 Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
But you wouldn't have your friend.
My friend free. Akuffo Addo.
Okay. And now your first day, yeah, lockdown. Now feeling no at the same with you. What's your feeling?
Okay, maybe buy na me will fee. Na they have me pa me share no. My program ni share. On the nipa na nyam kwa radio stations no so keka. Asa nipa bebre wo jom omo take advantage say e biga. Wow. Etu obia pese wo kodom. Me na nka be nka me nka na do me nyina ye nchefi. On the wo prevent wo. Na obi so kofa aba abaye wo. So even nka me na present ye nyina ye nchefi. Na sembi anfa na asem ko mo ma take advantage e ma na mo ton ne ma no. Asa ne mo ye na enye adia no obi e for so say okodiga. Is it who a tomato ba ku say tomato so ba ku pese ya e 2 cedis ade. Tomatoes ba ku pe ye kind ba ku pese 2 cedis. Ade nti. And ye na ye ntnasi. Ye na ye ntnasi. Okay, bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Would you be your friend? Hello. Number no 0200603602. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, baby. Your friend.
It was your friend Joyce. Me kasa say putuja.
Okay, putuja. Mpacho. Na I want so first day who is saying.
Omu diga pa because yeah juma. Me kwa me juma was scratch the hospital. But I na me nti me kwa wa to mama ya kwa wa no mama you leave by BTC. But uko market where we are not pay we ya. The room ko fosi digwa ni ade na e sim say the na Akuffo Addo time ya fa anya juma. Nti onye say lockdown ya fa anya juma de say yi na ye di ehun ji ni we fe fi na say bibi fa ho ema ya so
okay, madam was saying na yafa ofrefo a.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
But you didn't be afraid.
Me pa je fe me sile mana Adam. Me ka fi ko de. Me pa ja kuma se ko de.
Be ananado si. Then lock it down.
I can am that I can.
Feeling it to say.
Okay. Feeling me be kama. Ye ina timi fie e ma date ni twema e bebo ye ina. Na me no ka kese na me ye na ka kese fita se sia na me driver bia frame me say. Me ka na say wo Kufu traffic light. Ntimi me he ma no me so me ntimi mpi ntimi da se me bisa say. E no sa no kwa da so na e be fa so a ye be ye ka na firi kwa mo.
I think say ni nyina ka measures ananado de aba no. Say one kasa Peter for bi. One ka for say we mechanic a pie. Na ko ye adwuma. Nti I think say yendi emra no so na emwa yemfa. Yemfa afrefo a odi ho. Okay, Nana. Utie callers be ya. Utim say market ni there.
Hello.
Okay, yemfa hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Your friend Mahazu, because I see Amansia West.
Amansia West, okay.
Aye. Kenya go.
What piano?
Pacho mi tipa.
What pia babonte?
Hello.
Amansia West for Moka ho anata Monka ho.
Yeah, they nka ho de.
Okay, and you just say, oh dear.
Na, imagine chira na me chira kakra.
Okay, manem kwai.
Aha, na me say sa kape fo no so omubu more no ogu. Sa more fo no omo madi fo no ma ba bubu more no mesre anka omo oso so mo nka ho atam mai pa.
Oh say ya mo omo nyina ka ho. Omo nyina ka ho. Ah say omo nyina no omo hwefie. Enti at this time they dey kwase o crowd wonsa ana won nai come obi say omubu ma. Say even baba fo nyina no e ka ho. Bajo ati. Okay, yemfa offer for you. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, baby offer.
Hello.
Good evening, baby offer.
Hello.
Say offer me abomodin say TV volume no. Ube lowa no na metime ne wo akasa ama watime nka. Afrefo bi e wo ha yemfa no. Hello. Okay, Nana. Now we can. I mean, we are sure that Amaya is say, for the Bible, hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hi, evening.
Pacho, we didn't be afraid.
Pacho, me Kasaki Central. Your friend Adwa.
Central region.
Pacho,
Central region.
Yeah, Central region.
Okay. Pacho,
me Kasani say, you can't say young cut a bean. The Central had a young. Hello.
Hello.
That's a good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. But I'm Katafi Kokobin.
Okay, but you're a process.
But the family
Naomi, Yentiwe.
But so, me come to see and it's a sweet as for no or more do my band. I'm coming to market in what will be I am not ya born out coffee.
Okay. So just no Timu market now. What will be I now? Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening. We didn't be afraid.
I made a cordial because I feel work.
Cordial Yentiwe.
My program, my program, Nasampa.
Okay.
Me patron at the Hamipa, say, FI 19, Yari, who say
19, Ben.
COVID-19. Me patron, the Hamini say, I don't read it, much as a truck. Yankee pull himself from AB and part of the SFA. The police for the soldier from who can be able to say, a banner cafe on saying, I know there and Chiomo.
Police for a soldier for
I mean, I'm going out to soldier for the police for much to come. Because minimum say, be a mother, I are running through a move.
Say omon tare so. Omatiti omon.
I'm to tell us all about me for the money.
Okay.
Because I'm more in the money of Siafu.
Okay. And yeah, once
The Pachamas Margain, no.
Okay, that's a pa. So
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
But you come TV.
But we didn't be afraid.
Me free yes, friend Oba.
Oba.
Yes.
Oba fi ampacho yeti wa.
Wada wo mami ntimo de nche kakra ne se. O man pani kasa e no. O kan se edwane yen kusi down bet. Nse sa za kakra ni nyina chi no. Eni pa kokrom Saturday ni Sunday na ko di Japan. Enti semana ko gudwem na sala o mamma ne ma nkoso a. Meje someone penny call a good equipment because the other was a cruise market and because already no go for Tommy a damn near that.
2 months crying,
Auntie, I want some market to your cruising done it minimum measures because we would see many the wood they come about so come in many BNP. No, so no one a different person, a bit BS, yeah, 2 weeks, I am in young crowd, I cannot feel. No, so I was referring for Subiamas. For already no more bomb that then Titan said I include marketing now than I am class. The first and the moment so bad.
Okay. Mr. Eugene, who after for and some of cake, just an hour come. Okay, hello?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, but you didn't be afraid.
About your parents coming with a plus merchant.
Okay, but you too.
That's what you see in by my.
But
yeah.
COVID-19 was a near canon or Casabiana.
I'm thinking by my.
Okay, and say, young for okay, Mr. Eugene.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm Pacho, good evening.
Good evening, we didn't be afraid.
Pacho, make a surprise, Kumasi.
Kumasi fine.
Kumasi Abu Station.
Station was here in our Casa.
Like we see Dr. Mensah never places here. Namusuma Jun say, Abaika say, Yonkodi Jan, Ejana Yakodi Saturday Sunday. Najana Yakodi Saturday Sunday. And now who could be Dr. Mensah Brown, Obekasi. And now Casaphone of Muslim Baby Jan. When you know, Kumasi for any day, a coming quack, Abaika to say, in my intimate for 2 weeks. And send Wamay in Yapi. Okwana ko ka tire adwadifo no posisi ekwa mi ti di we be do atem na bra nsusu sample esa mi am bo me ho ba ya mi tifie ni ko di ma be kwa ko fa be kan e bi na mi no tifie o so me we ni no tifie ko fa be kan so ade ni ntisa nti ka mi ko mo yin ntina ti for 2 weeks na ntan ya yin na ya saba
ya da se pa ne wa dwen kire yem fa frefo audio hello. Hello. Okay. Yeguso say uremwa yebefa wo na fe ye ne wo adwetwe enkomo. Say you na okasa.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. But you didn't be afraid.
Kashe fe me pa me kashe Kenya si abre.
Kenya say abrim but you yanko emiti.
Kashe me abrim hanom no kai atoto for ne still am ye adwuma na tete di aban kan no mo nti o mo.
Kenya say okay.
Still abebre na ye adwuma o fan so.
Aban say omoni adwuma.
Hello.
Social distance and
yeah, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, a friend entry, make us a feed that.
Entry, you.
Masem ne say, Ghana had a do baby and never be a while. Ma, service will be a bank crown will be a minor, ne what children. You can send be brave a lockdown with the SF fossil. Now, so said the medical frame in a can. The Padodona, the person Musaku book room, a cuckoo dija. Then a lockdown near local down. Again, and fast one and also. What me up to 2 near mem aman told me and saying me turn 10 cities, a woodum. Nino, not a best aqua could jum who say the ananias are a charming bono muton, Yamama amount for to toy, and then fast one also me say. The empress can say a binding when you phone me as security agents, no more say. Any public nephew, not the NTS lock it down on fast wabas. Banco Bassi be a blue arena bia. If you have near the arena spread, the and she say or lockdown. It is a cacam water.
Okay, I can wait. What's it? My name is Mabel. I love your show. Keep it up. Mabel also, yeah, that's if I pray for, okay. We say so. I say, my name is Isaac from Ejuso. I say, COVID-19 is real. So, keep yourself out of people. Sana Isaac so at the back. Is how you do? Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Pacho, we didn't be afraid.
That's why I'm so pleased to my friend at Islam Point.
Sunya they say yenyan luho ana someone come ana mo ka ho.
You know you had the by no my office Sunya na abra jenen tiaso.
Okay, thank you.
Please common gali kura no moton gali oloka almost by 15 cities.
Wow. Gali.
It is me person be say I didn't know more sa.
Just say amount for afa bronya ho erin kokko. Okay. Yeah, share. We say it's okay. Hello. Good evening. I say hi. I am Angela. I really like your program. Keep it up. Okay, thank you so much. Hello. Also, bet me the what the Abba Nafi Yakin can Eddie Amayan for hello. Hello. Line also I papa. May I sure say amount for Abba Brunya.
Hello. Mpata Naomi no. I make a son na and
okay, Naomi, yenye.
Mpata na make a suggestion. Omo many because and no paise video ni nyaye. Boy so my video na suggest so my buy and share wo home ye be share wo. Na say na lockdown na ti na do kana tie man na ye tintin bi. Gugulu mu na makwa market. Esa emwa na spread na area no more spread. Ete Ghana for ye nim na so eno no wo so mo mra ne ye aduma omo mu hu sesei ese je omo ado obi apɛ no obeye ntimi so omo obi ani mre ni hwani na ye hwe ni hu sene yare ni na betimi asia no kwan me da
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Pacha, we didn't baby our friend. Hello. Okay, we are Kumawood TV. Yeah, I just say every day be a free Monday, cause Friday be a no. So 2 weeks, you have more updates about COVID-19. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
What's up, good evening?
Pacha, we didn't baby our friend.
Me pacha me free. Kumasi fem na ba for mufa.
Na ba for Kumasi for him.
Kumasi tanaso.
Nana.
I did cause no say lockdown no.
ase Ghana for the Diago. You who there a the Opia na Montine. We don't speak to Mamma in my Montine. We were Hana, we to carry with her. I didn't swear down, and yes, is how. Say before seeing Swiandia, I didn't down, and yes, sir. Imagine say, Ancabano, and got the whole Ghana. Say 1 2 for 2 weeks. Imagine, but for 2 weeks. I the whole Ghana be a nephew for 2 weeks. Imagine, but
Ghana for the mode epese ebano and can do way so and can be a simple amayo than say back close to the whole way down 2 weeks no. Hello? Hello? Okay, we say so or say please. This is your boy, D boy.
I'm thinking.
Hello? Hello? Or say COVID-19 is not affecting market women. Ronaldo, watch out. Okay, we one in Akima, Nana, Akuffo Addo, also bet me at the Wodia, Abama Yakin kind at the amount. We a information I did amount Kumawood TV. I say please, I really love your show. You have to do it every day. Okay, yes, I have been said, yes, so the Bayano, the Biane, the amount. Now, so good, air cost.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening. Would you never have free?
Yes, I'm not going to go.
But you'll see a process.
I go to go. Because if we cannot.
You dabe.
Oh, because you go down NCC.
Okay. You akwasiko you Sunday name Monday video. Okay, mami.
Okay. Well, you do only say before now, Kassan, your phone. Your phone, the people prospect a Ghana for one Kasa. And it's a buy no big jam and look me and you wouldn't yours. A kahuna warble. You can see you. My general.
I know the American on Yadu say, but who's watching at the end? I say, please, I love your show. Keep it up. I'm for the and come on. Mr. Udin, I'm far afraid for Nicia. The dear children, I'm for ever. Meaning so be our concern about this issue. But then, and run also, the check callers amount for about 95%. I said, yeah, shut it down. Oh, can't.
So, into no me who say, Obia say, me call Bantima Juma, a barefoot, into me fall. Obia and say, the cost of a market, a hot dear barefoot, into no, the pattern market.
I then nanka, me feel says, sir, and you are any idea. Obia will be oti, no, dear Bantima. And a baby out in an one hona, no see or no. Oh, now area move for now, but because
you can't giant, Bianco market and they be a better person because me himself
do him now, but to some one coffee.
Coffee is a mafaka, but coffee. That's a me told me. Oh, mafaka, but me buy no deɛ mɛtɔ no ɛsɛ metɔ ne ntɛm na mekɔ so ana ade no so ɛnɛ so kɔyɛ first aid obiara nim sɛ ɛduru anwummerɛ ana ade no bɛhyia hɔ a nti obiara rɔhyɛ wa obiara pɛ ntɛm atɔ ne deɛ akɔ nti ɛnɛ yɛ mbɔbɔ apɛ so so ade ade nti no market ne deɛ sɛ Nana Akuffo Addo bɛtumi ayi day bi asi hɔ sɛ bi a day wei big market ne deɛ ɛyɛ den nipa bɛkɔ akɔ
Nana
eti deɛ ɛsɛ yɛ kyerɛ tiɛfoɔ n sɛ mpatam wɔ no market ne wɔ no ɛden a sɛ ɔbɛyere so koraa kakra bi na ɛbɛba yɛmfa ne saa ne gyae
big market no Nana o for so say yen lock down the country
coronavirus in some way. People betting all by the supply
one kasa
yes.
Manyana say yare no kra no nya na one kasa wo hwe odidie mu yie wo hwe wo niema bi mu yie a yare no ntimi enche wo ho otimi ko of course
but the big camera business you would enter as a member na de na me ko to nipa ko do no again that mention the moon higher man
de bi una de no o twa mamu ayen han no na o trotro no nso trotro na akosi wo fie no nso na no nso uko
esa trotro say ye man is a man can ye so ati ase e no man bi on ye na ese yi en won ti ase because say bi okay nti o ba ba afọ so aba akoto na akote ya ye na di ku a ene so obetwe na me na dokura na no ato di no ko bi na na ntabi o kan se de ade na ye o ka se o twen amobi akoto bi afiru a obi free won no
obi so akwose won no
eye nti de eke no me ka ma na ba akọ ye se se yen ya de che ya adwum se ko ni pa do podo won ye be tete entema ya mfoa so
that one there
what you say
line na be tintin
line na be tintin so wo di show tim sa na me di show mi tim sa ye ten kwa ne jina obi abetwe amo obi ato ne dia wi ansa e je no na se yen ni she tim se e no ne ade ase bi kan ya se de bo e ho ba because ko pe bi aba be na so ko se ya de ba na ya de be tinye ko a e dey na so put yourself at risk it is very very important and two you making sure say your military personnel and police personnel you be able to say I say in Saturday on and time gas say ko na wo ton wa de one rest social distancing be you go so with man because you are putting your life at risk and I know so soon na say be you go so mo bia ho tre no enti wo na wo putting your life at risk I was say stop near my own year man kra na me did the Akuffo we nyina ba no say before lockdown never ba no video bi buy na na say so bi here voice of the bi eku soldier for say ya ba ya ka mo na wan enti e ho say kan na ba e jama soldier for no e sure say me to be a restricted what you say we are restricted no one am say obi am person obeya yi but e do time bi so a e say hu kakra
bem
e o say hu kakra
on say video bi
relax it no the way I relax again
yeah video bi
they say problems in every dom whatever
yeah
problem can say ni nyina e wo ye dom
enti obe fo aso say asojafo no enti omuhum on video bi na ba ya yeah
but the ever be so room ready na wo a wo ye dwedi ni bia wo pese obedi ba mra
titi o montem edwomo se ni yebra o tomatoes ya jenisia bekosia nti no wo se
ya ke so bi o do ton ta de ya mana ma do ton pa kwa ya
mana ma na wo ba ya
wo ba be enti so mo ye no sa na e be bo ama e na ya ke se mi fifie ba na mi ni reason bia me di bia ma flow to aban mra yeti mi che na fine wo
yeah
enti so bi so market woman market person who also to do no so aban mra no ni so ada ni enti ra engine pa no so what you say say yes ana the who ba to omo a omo atuogu mu so am obi a be na ade yi because en say wo no say bi o ye ke kwa sa atutu no mo na ye say atu obi a no no increase the price na car driver ni when you to pass ya chen en enti bi enti no obi no no te ho no a ono no putu go for life at risk no yenche ye reha ma na tani ma ne koso si eche ba ku yelu miensa obi o ye dani bi o to aduani bia no o de betu ne hofo emu say so amu na ahye ne o mayi no ama nkofo on say social distance no ye be chena no be chena no because anya ne sa ne ka say yentum a innocent people sabio na kwesa ba mu mu die no edu tam bia me hye na ma bi bia when e be ye be ti bia nti e ba ne sa so a emwa ye national security so emwa ye an o ma bu fo no enti omu na omu mu ambasa aban hye hye ne nkoso no omu na esi edi ni with them this a soldier for the police for no odwam ni na wa umma distance ne nya adwuma no ya chew ama ye wo no akwa edu ko esisi ni sada na ye do akoko je ma remanda omo besu enya nsa wo ama ye ne sa wo replicate wo market na e say bi mu beba ama e bebu ama ye sa so ne ko bank na wo bank no so a wo man ko fa ko do pe wo ma wo za bu ya mo sa bank no ko an ye ba ko so mo de no so ya say those are some of the measures as you put in the tesa ya area e 2 weeks e betra e tra so a o mo ya for no abo no mo enu enu central o mo no mbasa chi no sabi obi o ye boy organizer went me ankwa aduma obi ono no ayi ebi afite ni went me ankwa aduma obi ono talk cosmetic went na omu nyina ho ba chi no and imagine somebody no working for 3 weeks ebi a 4 weeks eni mi nyini ngesi amwa ye state na ye man ni o na amwa ye enti won na amwa ma ban hye hye we 2 weeks no down no am konkan no awsam na no omudi
eni omudi esemra ni omudi on se video bi ba abontene na soldier for bi enam so bi voice bi to ase na oma I say hey ya bow ya betia simu ni ade I think say no na amanfo suro pa but me feel say senka ya police for ene ya soldier for ya betu magumu a komo nko marketplaces no baby a ya ma ya kwan say yenko na yenko to aduane ana say ensuo bi na yennom no sa places no or say government officials eye adwuma wo hoyi pa anya sa yare na yesan e air coffee no yare na yesan akoti no market wo na ye de akofie text message was say good evening please the lockdown is not working in Kumasi. The trotro and taxi drivers are still working with overload. Please, people are in public. Where is the police and the soldiers? We a friend of Mensa Abrepo and all the same message we eba. Yemreno yaso na sene yaka no Nyankopon ya adom a ochina ye besan so the update foforo e de abremo. Nana ye kweyi asembe na o kan de atwato.
Yeah. Because of the fire, I am a fashion experiment. Was you oppress capital so many is kind of infected. It's my empty. Get very, very careful. And I am so at Yafa will say, something your bra, get a pepper. Some years are going to go our promoter.
Na just ebinum kura person ka yare no ho no on fan emu amanfo sa
yes amanfo empada 7 years and as I brand na ye faso just so ye dey be faso kinya faso bi so nya faso na ye aga ni go isi ka no dey na
sanity
ti ya se an wan na ma do sasa na sa coronavirus and then you may ba ye ken enye but the new maybe why ya I was here na be kan su ma edika market fumigation yeah I was said a national policy
okay
you make sure say afibia na market bia no yenti be in spirit but you do 2 times
okay
because you get it for no go na je omu yo ma no ofie e mo bi do mu mo mo ton ni na adene mo ton apatre mo ton wa
mfa nkofie
wo na ja no e ni che kura nda fredi ayi
e ko fa ho
afafa This is money and maybe I say one the market. She said you need clean up as I say buy every month. Maybe self-obligation is high. At least.
And yet continuous.
And yet continuous as I feel the young baby. So what I say. And as Veronica Basket, this is one year. As a matter of policy, as a public place, be at least a day you pay your home airport time. Sunday, who pop by now, who will be apart from when you are never able to be a bar, a high. Yeah. Ebola bar, I hit it. It's a mass sanitizer and use a Makai. When I did Bano, about Kaya home. Young as a matter of policy. It's a public place, be out to be, and I said, why in charge? So making sure, say, Sunday want to be with or without coronavirus. Now, I have put it okay. And I feel so door-to-door services, I say encouraging. Okay. Because some you which the or phone call, which my order pizza, I made the barber up by the Pumano. I don't know again as anyone in because the banners are not telling you reduce contacts are the independent area side near bar. Even to create a subject will be an area. And you know what you want, you say a prayer for the ambassador that the cashless economy there say to Bolivia also. See, down to a fire, a best spread to me, as well as having money, they will be promoted personal and media and gas also. I don't know, I say project. It's the addition of the blue was a year by year, also beyond COVID-19. It's in May issue. Okay. Then, yes, I said, the idea is to be back. As I have a prayer on the measure, they have a total. A man is out there in the panel. Yeah. I didn't get used to them. So we are okay. Yes, I'm okay. Okay, Mr. Eugene, well, last words. Efa COVID-19 coronavirus aba ama enne na nado ede emrato ho se yenhye dem na yenhwe se kwan ya befa so a ebema yare no atimi afri ho eno enane day 1 yede eho show yi ede abra onyankopon ya adoma ochina the same time yebesan so aba na yenemo abeche nia esi ochina ne kan nyira ne se hwe ho so yie isan say we are very important to the nation. Within the summer Canada, but Minyanko, me tram Simba Bako. Wow, in program I want to home. Kumawood top 10. A cabes medu asambi. Ye de brow life. Na fe ye de esi anti me tram Simba Bako pe me ba. Besan beto aso. A sign. A be a sign. A sign and a say. Uka bin shemu onyone ho se beto na abeto mpofrim na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so enno ene efre no esan what sign is saying esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi ekọ ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi mobi ko pie prison esan etimi yetwa obi nsa a sign etimi metwa obi nan a sign ti obi ajapade nyina ahye a sign ti obi ahwere ne kunu a sign ti obi ahwere ndofo bi a sign ti obi aware ya sen a sign ti obi akwa abrochire ama ya san de naba what sign is saying mesme sign is saying we yedwumade bi ya yede braw e Kumawood TV yesim konya na fei asama ato pen a ede atorentem bi abrɛw no ye no watrase na fe ya bobo ho ye di ho nkomo na aboa ye nua bi a esan bi nto no da na ama ono nso aye ahweye se esan bi ato da na ede wako situation bi mu ama enne watimi afiri mu a ye invite o sebra
na ne won trase na yen share experience together